How does Digistore24 work? Can you make money on this platform? In this video, I will be giving a full walkthrough as well as my honest review of Digistore24. This way, you could decide if this platform is worth joining. So whether you are new to affiliate marketing or if you are looking for more options, you'll want to watch this video to the end, because I will be covering everything you need to know about Digistore. Before we get into things, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. So this right here is the Digistore24 website right here. This is the home page. And let's actually answer the question. What is Digistore24 and how does it work? What exactly does Digistore24 have to offer? So Digistore24 is an affiliate marketplace, very much like ClickBank, except this one is originally based out of Germany, it looks like right here. So they were originally based out of Germany, and just recently, within the past year, I believe it was, they have expanded over into the US. So Digistore24, if you want to apply for this affiliate program right here, all you have to do is click on the button right here. This is Start Now. It's free to sign up. You go through the process, you get your account set up, and then from there, you could then get logged in and see exactly what is inside. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to log in real quick right over here. And once you get logged in, you will then be brought to this page. You'll be brought over to the marketplace where you can see exactly what is inside. So what type of products does Digistore24 have? And what can you, of course, choose to market on this platform? So very much like ClickBank, Digistore24 mainly has digital products. So it's products ranging from, betting, business and investment, computers and internet, dating niche. They've got the education, they've got fitness and health, food and drinks, green products, internet marketing. There's a whole bunch of niches you could promote on this platform. So very much like ClickBank, they've got a whole bunch of different niches, and it's primarily digital products. Looks like they do have some, physical products down here and some services and events and all that type of stuff. But the majority of Digistore24 is primarily digital products. So why exactly digital products? What is the benefit to promoting digital products? Well, with promoting digital products, usually the commission rates are a lot higher. So that's why digital products tend to, there's usually a much bigger earning potential with promoting digital products. And, the reason for that is because there is, less cost for, shipping. There's not, as much like inventory and all that type of stuff. And it's much easier to access digital information. So you create a digital product once and you could just easily sell it over and over again. Someone buys it, they have access to the product pretty much right away. And that's pretty much the main benefit with promoting digital products. So if you're really looking to make the most money possible with affiliate marketing, if you really are looking for, to be able to make like a full-time income with affiliate marketing, I'd say really the way to go is with promoting digital products. So again, you can look through any of these different niches right here. For example, if you want to look in the fitness and health niche right here, you can click on that and it'll bring up a list of different products inside of this niche right here. Now, one very important thing that I want to mention is before you decide to start marketing anything on this platform, what I would recommend doing is going over to this account tab right here. You click on the option that says payout account, and then you could fill in the information in terms of how you would like to get paid out. So Digistore24 has 3 ways you can get paid out. One is through direct deposit or, like wire transfer. There is also a physical check that you can get in the mail, or you could also get paid through PayPal. So if you are looking for, something that pays through PayPal and, you prefer to get, paid through PayPal rather than, through a bank, or if you don't have a bank account, then this is definitely a great option to consider checking out. So PayPal is another option that they have in here. So all you have to do is click on this option right here. You fill in the information, and then from there, you will then be all set up to receive those commissions. So once you have all that stuff set up, then you could decide to start marketing any of the products on this platform. So here it brings up a list in the fitness and health niche right here. You've got HSV Eraser, you've got Keto After 50, Keto Desserts. And what's really cool about this one compared to a lot of other affiliate marketplaces is, as you could see right here, many other products in this marketplace right here pay out like a 50% commission, or sometimes even higher than that. Like this one pays out like a 75% commission. And there's other pages you could of course scroll to as well. Here's another one right here called HSV Eraser. So this right here will pay out a 75% commission, which in this case, it would look like it would be about $40.52 that you'd get for one single sale of this product right here. Now, really think about this for a minute, right? Just with 3 sales alone, you could already be at over $100 just with this one product alone. So that is the benefit to promoting digital products, as I kind of went over earlier. The commission rates are a lot higher, and yeah, there's just less cost with shipping and fulfillment and all that type of stuff. So that's why digital products is really the way that you of course want to go. So Digistore is very similar to ClickBank in that aspect, but again, the benefit with Digistore is they are pretty much available worldwide. So anywhere that you are in the world, because I know that ClickBank for a lot of people is not available. Like if you're in India or Nigeria or any of these other places, ClickBank is unfortunately restricted. But Digistore24 is actually available worldwide. So anyone could sign up for Digistore24, and you could decide to start marketing the products right here. Now, how this works, how you get paid, is right under each of the products, you will have your own promo link. So this right here would be my promo link under my account since I'm currently logged in. And when I head on over to this link right here, if I open up a new tab and I paste this link in, notice how right here, it has my affiliate ID, which is my first and last name right there. So when someone goes through this link right here and they decide to buy the product, I will then get paid that $40 commission right there. So right here, if you want to promote this product, for example, what I would recommend doing is watching the video, of course, getting a good feel for it. And then if you decide that it sounds good enough to you, you could decide to buy the product yourself if you're interested in, of course, learning more. Now, here's something very important that I would like to mention, is that if you are looking to promote anything online, really, if you're looking to, sell or market anything online, I always recommend selling only marketing products that you truly believe in yourself. So if you believe that this product can actually help someone, if you have, of course, gone through it yourself, you find that it contains really good information, you've gotten great results, and you feel that it could help other people, then I would say this product is definitely something that you could decide to promote and make some money with. So what I always recommend is, getting a good feel for it. If you want to, of course, buy the product and, test it out yourself, that's one other thing you could do. And then you could promote from moral authority. So once you decide that you want to promote something on this marketplace right here, what you could do is you can grab your promo link right here, and instead of sending people straight to your raw affiliate link, what I would recommend doing is heading over to a link shortening site like bit.ly.com, and right here you could paste in your link. And notice that right here, the original link just doesn't really look that appealing. Of course, if I see like a long link like this, I of course wouldn't really want to click on it, and I'm sure you won't want to either. But if you paste in your affiliate link right here and you click on shorten, this right here will give you a shortened version of the link that you could of course share. So this right here is, in my opinion, much more pleasing to the eye, and I'm sure that you would of course agree with that as well. But if you want to market this product, for example, one method that you could of course go about it is with Instagram. So Instagram is a large social media platform right here that millions of people go to every single day. And if you were getting into like the health and fitness niche, for example, like if I search up health and fitness, right here, it'll bring up a bunch of different pages that I could choose to check out right here. So there is, like a health and fitness page. If I click on this right here, this is a page, looks like made by Brenna. So it looks like this is kind of like a bit of a smaller following right here, 63 followers right here. But what you could do is you could decide to set up an Instagram page, and you could of course grow a following on here. And as you're putting up lots of content, you're of course sharing your journey, sharing good information that you're of course learning. Then you could have a link right here, in your bio, where someone can check out any offer that you of course are recommending there. So you could have your #1 recommendation right here. And as you of course continue to grow a following, anyone who decides to check out the product that you recommend, you will then get paid a commission. So Instagram is one method that you of course go about it. There's also Facebook. Facebook is a very large social media platform. Of course, is easily the largest one out there. And I think from what I heard, it's like half the world's population is like on Facebook. So if you look up, health and wellness, for example, right? There are groups that you could of course join. Like in this group right here, has over 13,000 members. This is 13,000 people that you can connect with just in this one group alone. So what you could do is you could interact with a lot of the posts. You can connect with people right here. Or what you could do is you could even create your own posts. So as you are going through the program that you're going to be promoting, what you could do is you could take things that you've of course learned, and then you could teach, you could of course share that on here. So you can create a post, you could host like a watch party, you could share photos, you could even do like a Facebook Live, and you could share things that you've of course learned. And people who watch your videos or consume your content and they get lots of value, they could choose to of course follow what you're doing. And of course as you continue to put up lots of great content, this is of course going to help with building up that know, like, and trust factor. And here's one really important thing that you of course want to keep in mind. People buy products from those that they know, like, and trust. So you never want to go in groups like these and just say, oh, hey, join my link right here, click this link, buy it, because people are not going to trust you. They're not going to trust someone who just spams their affiliate link all over the place and tries to desperately make a sale. So you always want to lead with value, you always want to lead with helping people, and the more that you're willing to do this, the more you likely are going to make sales on Digistore right there. But so you can create posts, you can connect with people, you can interact with posts, and one other thing you could do is you can connect with the members inside of this group. So right here it shows the number of members here. If I click on this will bring up a list of people that are inside of this group. And what's cool about this is right here where it shows new to the group, these are people that just recently joined this group right here. So these are people that just recently expressed interest in that specific niche right here. So 29 minutes ago, looks like the Skylar dude joined right here. 33 minutes ago, this faceless profile joined. Jojo Gal joined, 33 minutes ago. Emma joined 33 minutes ago. And these are all people right here that you could, you could send a friend request to, you could add them to your friends list, you could reach out to them in Messenger, and you could build up personal connections that way. And as you are, of course, building up these conversations, you're, of course, introducing yourself, you're asking them questions about, hey, I just found you in this group, how are things going for you, that type of stuff. As you, of course, have those conversations, if they express any interest in, of course, getting a better result in that specific niche, then if you have a great product that solves a great need, you could then of course choose to recommend that to them. So that's one way you can of course go about it. Facebook is a great platform, because I think like half the world's, like millions of people are going on Facebook every single day, and you could literally get in front of you could easily grow a following fairly quickly on this platform right here. So Facebook's one method. Another one is of course YouTube. Tons of people go on YouTube every single day. Like this, I'd say, is especially great when it comes to doing product reviews. So if you are reviewing, like, if you're trying to promote this HSV eraser product, right? If I copy this right here and I search up, HSV eraser review, what I could do is I could look at reviews of this product. Looks like, okay, one person has a review right here. HSV eraser scam. So what you could do is, if you find that this product, of course, if it's of course helped you in any way, you could decide to create a video review and pretty much go over exactly what the product's all about, how it's helped you, how it could of course help the viewer watching, because when someone searches up product name plus review, they are very likely in that buying mode. And if you could provide a well thought out review where you go over, everything that they need to know about that specific product, this is a great way to get lots of high quality traffic fast. And even if not a lot of people are searching for it, people who search that up are going to be very interested in buying that specific product. So keep in mind, one sale of this product alone is a $40 commission that you're getting with this product right here. So that right there, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, these are three ways that you can go about it when it comes to promoting products online. And again, it's all about getting in front of the right audience and, of course, finding the right offer that way. So Digistore24 is a great marketplace to check out. Definitely one that I highly recommend looking into. And if I'd say, especially if you are in any of the countries like, India, Nigeria, or like Zimbabwe or something, where ClickBank is restricted. And if you're looking for like an alternative to ClickBank, then I would definitely recommend Digistore24. So this is a great marketplace to consider checking out. But the one downside with Digistore24 is that oftentimes with a lot of the products on this platform, the you get like one sale, which is great, but oftentimes with a lot of these products, they have like upsells on the back end. And if any of the customers buys any of the upsells inside, you don't really get that commission. So that's kind of the downside with Digistore24. But if you're looking for a way where you could earn from multiple streams of income, you want people to earn more of a passive income and earn more like high ticket commissions, like, you know, where it's like $1,000 commissions, $2,000. Of course, I can't, you know, make any guarantees personally, because you, of course, have to get the results in order to get those commissions. But if you want to be able to make more of a passive income and be able to earn from multiple streams of income, all you have to do is head on over to this link right here in my description. It's the very first link, and this will take you to this page right here, where it's going to give you a free training that I put together. It's going to show you step by step how to build a highly profitable business online selling other people's products. So this right here is a 4-day training that I recently put together, and it shows you how to build a highly profitable business online by selling other people's products. So if you want to learn more about how to do all this stuff step by step, and you want to be able to earn, you know, a lot more than what, you know, you could earn on Digistore24, I mean, it still is a great marketplace, but earning potential with it isn't necessarily the best. So if you want to learn how to create more of a long-term passive full-time income with affiliate marketing, then I would definitely recommend checking out my free training right here. So all you have to do to get access to this is enter your first name, your email, click on the button right here, and this is going to give you instant access to my free 4-day training right there. But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. But anyways, hope you enjoyed, and take care.